that represents them landing. They landed in rectangular type ships. Look at planes. Aren't they like a triangular type? Think about the wings. You move the tail, that's a triangle. You take the tail off the plane, it's a triangle. See what I'm saying? The rat don't only just represent the pyramid, it's like a double entendre. It represents them landing. That's why you got all these genes on the land, which is the table, and then the rat does what? Lands down on top of the other genes and centers them, locks them in. Then how does the rules of the game go? From there, you got a cue stick. What is the cue stick made out of? Carbon fiber glass. Us, carbon. That's what it represents. Why is it called a cue stick? Because the etymology of cue comes from the Latin word cue, which meant go. So the stick is just like, you got the right to go. And in the game, what's the object? To destroy every single ball on the table, which is, and if I just told you that the solids represents the original beings, and then the solids represents those gods that are mixed, and then the black ball represents the supreme god genetic, which we all come from, which is these black and Latino women. The white ball is used to what? Destroy them all. The white ball representing, they want that to be the supreme genetic. So that is used to destroy them all. Also on the pool table, which represents the land, you have 17 dots. 17 markers. These angle markers on the pool table. Guess what these 17 dots represent? These are the aura nodes. They stand for your aura nodes that surround the sacral chakra. The whole damn game of pool is about destroying the genetics. The way they destroyed our genes, the way they destroyed us, the purity. They hit our genetics with the white gene. That's the white ball. And then destroyed it. That's why the objective pool is to destroy every other ball using the white ball. And then you got to destroy the black gene last. You can't destroy the black gene first. You got to destroy the other sub genes, then you destroy the black gene. That's the rules of pool. And what gene do you use to do it? The white gene, which stands for the raping, the mixing. Just them mocking us, how they dominated us. That's all it is. I mean, even the pool stick itself, right? The pool stick itself. Let's look at the numbers on the pool stick, the cue stick. Pool stick, go to Wikipedia. Pool stick is 58 inches long. What's 8 plus 5? 13. Guess how much the pool stick weight? 19 ounces. What galaxy do we come from? The 19th galaxy, Sirius star system. So how ironic, the pool stick weight is 58 inches long, representing 13 to 13 colonies. It's 58 inches long. The stick is being used to hit the white ball, which is used to destroy the rest of the genetics, which is showing what they did to us when they landed on our planet. You got the actual weight, 19 ounces. And then it's made out of wood or carbon fiber glass. So, you think that's by accident? No. They're talking about the destruction of our genetics. So that's why the pool stick even adds up to that. That's by design. That's not no coincidence. See what I'm saying? And we'll play pool all day and have no clue that this game is about destroying your genetics and how they destroyed your genetics and how they believe or try to make the white gene a superior dominant gene. Like, and you know it's crazy because Martin Lawrence tried to talk about that. And they got on his ass for that. You know what I'm saying? But the crazy thing is, he wasn't off. He wasn't off. You know what I'm saying? He wasn't off. The whole damn game, man, is about how they destroyed the Aboriginal man's genes, lineage, and esoteric and metaphysic history. And that's why right now, like I was just saying earlier on Instagram, you look in the history books, every major science discovery, every major invention, contribution, literary work, art, whatever. I mean, it goes to that, once again, that white ball. See what I'm saying? Because this is what was used to separate you. This is what was used to separate you. Well, sometimes I put too much weed up in here, y'all. Need to chill out. For real, And the reason I know it be too much weed sometimes, y'all, is like, it won't even pull sometimes. I be like, damn, I be over. That come from me having so much weed. I gotta be like, hold on, man. Let me slow down. Like, nah, for real, like having too much weed, man, you don't roll your weed the same. You know what I'm saying? You be rolling your weed like you got it. Like, I got weed, I ain't tripping. You gotta start rolling like a nigga ain't got it. So yeah, though. Think about what I just told y'all though, about pool, right? Like they done done this shit so much, it's crazy. They done did it with so many movies and games and structures. Understand that it's a form of witchcraft to get you to participate in even playing the game. And many people have played the game, you know what I'm saying? Not even knowing this though. Because the whole intent on the game is about destroying the gene. It's about participating. Basically, pool is like a ritualistic game. Green table represent the planet. How they took it from you. How they destroyed your genetics. And how the goal is to completely eradicate the carbonated beings off the planet and leave only a superior white race. They don't even want to leave the poor whites and middle class whites here. They want to destroy them too. They want to create like a sub race. You know, these draconian reptilians. So with the intent of the game being to destroy, just you playing the game and
Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, and hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.